Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Well, it's Christmas Eve. What a better time to be drawing Santa delivering gifts. Or in our case, the Grinch returning all the gifts he's already stolen, along with the Christmas trees and everything else. That's right, we're going to draw the great Grinch sleigh scene with Max hanging on for dear life. All right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, so let's draw the great Grinch sleigh scene from the Grinch Who Stole Christmas. We're going to draw a great Grinch sleigh scene step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw it again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, the Grinch is almost exactly 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is 3 of those. You'll also see that I use a square to map out the entire drawing that we're doing here, including the sleigh, the gifts, Max, and the Grinch. You don't want that square or the guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. All right, so let's draw the roadmap for our Grinch sleigh scene. So there's our roadmap of the Grinch, the sleigh, and poor Max. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. In this step, the Grinch, Max, and some of the goodies will start to take shape. I want to remind you that we're still drawing as light as possible. All right, so let's rough out the features for our Grinch sleigh scene. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for our scene from The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of our Grinch sleigh scene. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for the Grinch returning Christmas to all the people of Whoville. Alrighty, there it is, the Great Grinch sleigh scene, with the Grinch returning gifts, trees, and whatever to all of Whoville. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn the Grinch or a scene like this before, you cannot expect to have drawn it perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring the Grinch, Max, or the sleigh during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing this scene from The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. And with that, you can draw it again and again, and by all means, color it when you're done. I promise each time you draw it, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your version of the sleigh scene from the classic Grinch Who Stole Christmas. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Wishing you and your family a joyous Noel, a Merry Christmas, and until next time, keep drawing, my friends.